In this video, I'm going to review AWeber, a popular email marketing tool that could really be profitable for your business. I'm going to answer all your burning questions about the pricing plans, automation features, ease of use and user interface, integrations with other platforms, and so much more. Keep in mind that using the wrong email marketing tool can waste a lot of time and money in your business, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you decide if AWeber is a good option for you. For your convenience, I've included the link to AWeber in the description below so you can check it out. So let's start with the pricing plan because I'm sure that's something you're all interested in. AWeber has a really good structure for their platform for as far as payments goes. They have a completely free plan that you can actually get started with if you're a complete beginner, if you don't want to spend any money and there's no credit card required. You can actually try it out using the link in the description. It's free forever. You can get up to 500 subscribers. You can get an email list, a landing page. Basically, you can get everything you need to actually test out if this is the right tool for you. And you can even start making some money if you have 500 subscribers. And then it goes up from there with the light plan at about $12.50, plus for 20 and unlimited for 900 a month. Now, if you actually pay monthly, it's actually a bit more expensive. I was showing you was the annual, so you'll save about 33% or different percentages depending on the plan or whether you do annual or monthly. So if you're serious about this, I would recommend using annual. But once again, if you're starting out for free, then it doesn't really matter anyway. You can see what's included in each of the plans. Let's talk about the ease of use. So AWeber's interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate with a well-organized dashboard. Their customer support is actually really good. So as you can see, you can talk to a real human 24/7. They have phone support, they have live chat, and you can also email them 24/7. They're always responding. So you can get help really quickly. It's really easy to use. As far as their email templates and design goes, the editor actually allows for a significant amount of customization. So you can actually tweak your templates to fit your brand. AWeber's drag and drop editor is user friendly and powerful, making it easy to create visually appealing emails without having any coding knowledge. What about automation and workflows? AWeber includes robust automation features like autoresponders and email sequences. Users can set up automated welcome emails, follow-up sequences, and drip campaigns easily. While not as advanced as some competitors, AWeber's automation is much more than sufficient for most small to medium-sized businesses. Now, what about their segmentation and personalization? AWeber offers robust list segmentation options, allowing users to create targeted segments based on subscriber behavior and demographics. So this enables more relevant and personalized emails. So if you're doing some sort of marketing and you want to target a certain type of subscriber for a certain email, you want to make sure that this person who's more likely to be interested in a certain something that you're selling actually gets your email. So you can actually filter things out and set them to automatically receive this email. So that makes it really powerful to target people and make more money. And what about integrations? Well, AWeber integrates with a wide range of third-party tools. So you can see a huge list of CRMs, e-commerce platforms, landing page generators, and lead generation software, all sorts of different softwares that you can easily integrate with AWeber, including probably the softwares that you're already using in your business. So that means that if you're not already using email marketing and you have some sort of setup for your business, that means that most likely AWeber would easily be able to integrate with your existing software tools that you're using in your business, and that makes it everything so much easier. What about deliverability? So deliverability just means when you try and send someone an email through AWeber, how likely are they to actually get the email in their inbox instead of it going into their spam folder? This is a really important metric for email automation providers. So AWeber is known for its high deliverability rates, ensuring your email actually reaches the subscribers' inboxes. The platform's commitment to maintaining a good sender reputation actually contributes to this success. As far as analytics and reporting tools goes, AWeber offers comprehensive reporting tools providing insights into key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth, helping measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Now, what about contact management? Well, AWeber makes it easy to manage your subscribers with tools for adding, importing, and organizing your contacts. You can also use tags to segment people and have more personalized communications. A/B testing is also really important, and AWeber provides robust A/B testing capabilities, allowing you to test your subject lines, content, and send times, optimizing email performance based on real data. Now, AWeber's email templates are mobile responsive as well, so your emails are going to look good on any device. This is really important because a lot of people nowadays check their emails on their phones instead of their laptops, so you want to make sure that you use an email marketing platform that sends emails that looks good on phones, which AWeber definitely does. Overall, AWeber is a comprehensive email marketing tool. It's been around for quite a while, like more than 20 years. So whether you're a small business or you're a growing business, AWeber is a great platform that you can use to email people and set up automations. It may not have the most advanced features in every category, but it has a really good balance of functionality, ease of use, affordability, and amazing customer service. So drop your questions or concerns in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I've included the link to AWeber in the description box. As I mentioned already, you can actually try it out completely for free. They have a free plan, so check it out, and thanks for watching.